Good morning, traders. This is John Kennedy, Senior Commodity Market Strategist with RGO Futures in Chicago. To give you a brief rundown of some of the morning grain markets. Turning first to the current prices, corn is trading at about 4.80 and 3/4, up about 3.5 cents for the day. Soybeans are trading just under 15 bucks at 14.99 and a quarter, up 13.5 cents. And wheat is again strong at $6.83, up 8 cents for the day. Looking first at yesterday's export inspections, soybeans are declining on a seasonal basis, but they're still better than some of the needed numbers for the USDA. They came in at 6.2 million bushels. Corn and wheat were both in line with expectations. Corn coming in at 41.7 million bushels, and wheat coming in at 20.3 million bushels. Later in the day yesterday, in the afternoon, came crop progress. No real surprises there either. The corn planting is advancing as expected, about in line with some of the averages for the previous 3 to 4 years. There were some nice advances in the soybean progress. Some delays in the north with the weather, but those may rectify themselves in the coming weeks. Spring wheat planting remains slow in the northern plains once again for the aforementioned weather. The hard red wheat continues to decline in its condition ratings, and the soft red wheat was unchanged from last week. There was a report of some Chinese buying of soybeans, which obviously will add some firmness to the market. Wheat is rebounding, some short covering from yesterday, and there were reports that some new long positions by funds, obviously lending a lot of support to all three of the grain markets, both yesterday and today. Based primarily on what's expected to be a thinning bean pipeline here in the U.S. And corn is being tugged along for the ride, but I really think that until we get a good snapshot on what the weather is going to be going forward, we may have some firmness in these markets. That said, the weather looks to be very favorable over the next 1 to 2 weeks with increasing temperatures and periods of dryness, which should help get the plants into the ground and probably, wear on or bring down some of these prices over the next week or two. Good luck trading. Until the next time, this is John Kennedy in Chicago. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.